businesses coming in for a boot camp to get one-on-one coaching and counseling to really respond to their needs, such as, how do I do a pitch? How do I build a website? How do I market my business? And having subject matter experts come in and talk to those businesses one-on-one and in a group setting was just a phenomenal day.
I felt inspired. Mayor Rahm Emanuel's speech said that our bottom line as a city is your bottom line, and your bottom line is our bottom line. And so that is the reason why we're all here, because the city of Chicago is really looking to develop small businesses.
While 97% of consumers look online for local services, a staggering 58% of Illinois businesses do not have a website. Google is excited to partner with the mayor and the Small Business Center to get every single small business in the city of Chicago online. That's right.
It allows us to see the different partnerships and see how we can all help each other and collaborate to bring different resources to the communities.
Everything you saw going on in what I call the digital hub of the city of Chicago, where we've grown digital economy by 40,000, we want to see that in every part of the city of Chicago. From innovation spaces to the lending process, to the boot camps that are going on. We want all parts of the city to have the access and an ability to know how to use technology, to empower themselves, to make sure that their businesses are growing.
It meant a great deal to have the mayor here. It was so important for him to show his support, and a support that is just a continuum of what he's done before. This is not the first time that the mayor has helped us change the conversation and helped us think more broadly and more innovative about things that can not just happen in Inglewood, but across the city as a whole.